Alright, so today we're going to be doing a review on a bunch of camping equipment from Amazon. We have a Firehiking hot tent, pyramid, they're not pyramid, teepee. We have wood stove going in, and we have a few other little trinkets to help that wood stove out that they didn't come with and I thought it should have. So I'm going to set everything up in the backyard, and we're going to do a little test run for camping and do our first burn on our wood stove. All right, let's get it all set up. Let's do this. So this is our 6 to 8 man teepee Firehiking. Should be good. Had heard good reviews about it. Very affordable. It was like $200 or something like that, which ain't bad. And we got our wood burner fireplace there. And then what we got, if the other fireplace didn't come with, is a spark arrest for it with some tie downs, which is awesome, because this does not come with any tie downs. And another thing this doesn't come with is a flue, open and close your flue, so you know you can control your burns, which I think all these fireplaces should have, is a flue. Another thing we got is a heat operated fan, which I thought it was going to be smaller because I thought it was meant for these little pipes, but it came full size for, like, you know, a 6-inch chimney with straps. So this thing should throw a lot of wind around. We'll see. Okay, let's get to unboxing this stuff. I haven't seen any reviews on this product. What is this? What was the make on it? I'll look it up on my Amazon thing before I let you know what's going on here. All right, I'm gonna get setting up the tent. All right, so this is actually a pretty massive tent. It is large. So this is gonna hold me, my 2 kids, my wife, and my dog just fine. Pretty easy to set up. You gotta adjust it a little bit and get it all nice and shaped out. But yeah, it looks pretty good. What's this guy here? Wonder what that is. A vent, maybe? Oh, gonna find out. I'm gonna go get the instructions and figure out what that is. All right, let's keep going here. So one thing I am noticing with these guys, they actually came with some decent little clamps, kind of like your Scotty downriggers, you know, pull, pinch into place for adjustment. So these have got to go on now, and we're gonna stretch it all out, open her up. Okay. All right, we got her pinned. So what I did is I just simply created a loop, looped it through, right? Brought her down, and then they come with these little eyelets. So with these little cinchers, I simply just put it in the hole and let it sit on itself like that. These are actually really nice. Everything that everyone complained about in the reviews that I've seen, they seem to have changed. This might be a second generation, I'm not sure. One, they have these snow skirts, which in the reviews, they didn't have these snow skirts. They have dual doors there and there, so you can walk in either side. Another complaint that I heard people had were these screens, the chimney to go through, the hole was too big, and these come with no hole in them. So that allows you to cut it to whatever size you want. Time to open this thing up and check it out. Like I said, they come uncut. I don't know why it's got a little extra flappy. Maybe there's a heat shield or something. So what you're gonna do, you put your pipe on there like so. You're gonna draw a circle with a pin around it, and you're gonna cut it out. Just like that. Let's get on that. And then install this like so. And let's get to cutting. Stuff seems pretty hard to poke through, so I'm gonna get a razor blade to start my cut. All right, fire hiking tent. Figured out what that flap is for. That flap, when you stick the pipe out, is gonna flip up, creating a wall, so if it rains, it's gonna hit that and go off either side and not come in your tent. That's genius. I haven't seen a tent with that flap on it yet. So that's a pretty cool option. And then you make sure you pin your cover up so it can't hit the pipe. But that is sweet. I like that. That is a new upgrade. Let's try that out. Let's open up the stove. All in all, guys, that tent is pretty awesome. Huge square footage. Super simple setup. Just one pole. And pretty excited to try it out. So we're going to do another review once we use it in real life, which will be tomorrow. Do another review then. Next, we'll be doing a review on the wood-burning stove that we purchased for the tent as well. If you guys like my videos and they're helpful to you, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe. Appreciate it. You guys have a good night.